For our first experiment, we're going to take a bar of white hand soap and stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And watch it transform. Like popcorn kernels, soap contains tiny pockets of moisture that when heated expand. And there you have it, a giant puffy soap monster. Next, I bet you didn't think you could light a candle with smoke. First, blow out your candle. Next, light the smoke trail before it dissipates. The particulate in the smoke acts like a wick and will reignite the candle. Finally, we're going to make a lava lamp out of ingredients found right at home. Fill a clean container with 3/4 cooking oil and 1/4 water. Add in a few drops of food coloring. Then toss in a few Alka-Seltzer tablets. Break them up for better results. And watch it go. The tablets bubble the colored water up into the oil, creating an exciting and colorful display.